we always get dirty. We always get dirty looks here at the tennis club. In Irvine, California, Woodbridge, I always get dirty looks. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so here we go. Love's hearts to Mayo for showing up. Mayo 769. Love you, especially for the 6-9. Anybody voted yes on Prop 69 yet? It is the only prop that isn't on the ballot yet, unfortunately. It is not on the ballot yet this morning. I do apologize for that. Because it would be the only one that would be useful enough to be used for so many other things, such as, for instance, you would actually get the same amount from the government that you give in. So instead of keep paying more to your government to pay more for your HOA every year and get less because they create new rules and they take away your privileges, with the Prop 69, you'd be able to make sure that they give you as much as you deserve. So, motif. I'm only going to read a little tiny bit of this motif because I'm here in Irvine, California, Woodbridge at the tennis courts, and they have limited parking here, but they don't love me much. So usually I would get the heck out of Dodge, but you know, I have every right to be here and do my live streams here. So I will just use this space for a little longer because they've been not so nice to me. Usually, as I said before, I used to always get out of Dodge and give them the space. But today I'm not doing that as they pull up in their fancy top-end, latest top-of-the-line Mercedes Benz, Porsche Cayennes and Beamers and you name it. We've seen it here. We've seen Ferraris. We've seen Lamborghinis, and I'm not crapping on, you know, fancy cars. I love fancy cars as much as the next person, but then they called me junk dumper reviews because I donated a nice flat screen TV to the really nice, cool, amazing break room here, which has things from the Middle Ages, technology from the Middle Ages. But my TV, which is more modern than what they have as equipment there, because they have a Kirkland refrigerator from the Middle Ages, they have a Panasonic microwave from the Middle Ages, but my TV, which is more modern than that I was giving away, was considered to be junk. Just saying. Activité 15, comptez. Comptez avec votre professeur. Comptez de 0 à 20. Comptez